Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Fire TV Stick easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Take out the Fire TV Stick, the remote control, the power adapter, and the HDMI extender. Next, locate an available HDMI port on your TV. Plug the Fire TV Stick into the HDMI port. If the space is tight, you can use the HDMI extender for easier access. Now, connect the power adapter to the Fire TV Stick. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Fire TV Stick is connected. You should see the Fire TV logo appear on your screen. After a few moments, the Fire TV welcome screen will be displayed. Use the remote to pair it with the Fire TV Stick. To do this, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Once paired, your remote will be ready for use. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Once connected, the Fire TV Stick will check for updates. This may take a few moments, so be patient. After the updates are installed, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Amazon account. Enter your login credentials or choose to create a new account if needed. Once signed in, you'll have the option to set up parental controls. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your settings as desired. You will be presented with a list of apps to install. Select the apps you wish to download, or skip this step for now. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to explore the main menu. Use the remote to navigate through the various channels and apps available. Experience the world of streaming right from your TV with the Fire TV Stick. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.